Welcome to the Elements of Design. The 7 elements of design, lines, shapes, colors, values, textures, forms, and spaces, are arranged according to the principles of design to create visual compositions. They are referred to as formal elements because they are perceived through the senses as opposed to the informal elements that make up the subject of a composition. Lines are the paths created by moving points, and therefore always have direction and length. There are 2 kinds of lines: actual lines connecting all the points, or implied lines with gaps between points. In 2-dimensional representations, edges of shapes and contours of forms are perceived as lines. Shapes are enclosed areas representing the flat dimensions of length and width. The boundaries of shapes are defined by other elements of design that surround them, such as lines, colors, values, and textures. There are 2 types of shapes. Regular shapes defined by mathematical measurements and calculations are referred to as geometric shapes. Irregular shapes from the natural world of plants and animals are referred to as organic shapes. Colors are also called hues or chroma. Artists vary the color properties of intensity and value. A color wheel is often used as a reference tool to show relationships between primary and secondary colors and to create the following types of color schemes. Analogous colors are side by side on the wheel, complementary colors are opposite each other, triads are 3 colors evenly spaced out, and tetrads are 4 colors evenly spaced out. Primary colors of red, yellow, and blue cannot be mixed using pigments from other hues. Values, also called tones, are variations between light and dark areas, sometimes organized in gradations or gradual steps to represent 3-dimensional forms. Values include white highlights, black shadows, and many shades of gray in between these 2 extremes. Textures are surface qualities perceived through the tactile sense of touch. They can be actual physical textures or implied textures, created through 2-dimensional illusions or photographic reproduction. Forms have 3 dimensions: length, width, and depth. They include objects such as sculptures and architecture. Spaces are the areas around, between, or within 3-dimensional forms. Pictorial spaces are 2-dimensional representations of 3-dimensional spaces that include foreground, middle ground, and background areas.